Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Honorable all participants of the International Conference on Food Security and Sustainable Agriculture in the Tropic 2021, dear brother and sister, loved by Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala, I don't forget to say thank you so much the committee who has been giving opportunity to presentation my research. And now I would like to deliver my presentation under the title Production of the Chitinase enzyme by Biophorobacillus in infecting Tribolium cassaneum by Muslimin Sepe, Ichidiana Daud, Adim Tasa and Firdaus, organized by Faculty of Agriculture, Hasanuddin University, Indonesia. Introduction. Fungus of Biophorobacillus produces enzyme if they are infecting a host such as protease, chitinase, and lipase. The enzyme chitinase can hydrolyze beta-1,4-acetimido 2-deoxyglycoside, form of chitin and insechitin oligomer. Biophorobacillus produce any toxin such as bacianin, biophoricin, bacianolide, biophorylidase, and thalanin if they are kill the host. The purpose of this study was to elevate the activity of the chitinase enzyme produced by Biophorobacillus during the degradation of insect cuticulus. Method. Fungus Biophorobacillus isolate uses a research sample from Tribolium cassaneum warehouse insect pest. In the next stage, the isolated Biophorobacillus fungus were purified in soil medium potato dextrosa agar for further testing of enzyme activity. The manufacture of chitin colloidal medium and agar chitin medium, followed by Haidar et al. 2017 and Mubarak et al. 2010. The chitinolic index method, followed by Mubarak et al. 2010. Chitinolic fungus rejuvenation, followed by Carter et al. 2014. Preparation of fungus suspension of the enzyme chitinase, followed by Carter et al. 2014. Production of the enzyme chitinase, followed by Haidar et al. 2017. Measure of chitinase enzyme activity. The enzyme activity was determined by spectrophotometry at lambda max equal 616 nanometer. Chitinase activation was determined based on equation 1. Activity unit equal x min y divided now 0.001 times 1 divided incubation time. Illuminance x equal control absorption, y equal sample absorption. 1 unit of enzyme activity was measured as the number of enzyme resulting in reduction in the absorb of the reaction mixture by now 0.001 per minute. Determination of protein level, followed by Lowry et al. 1951. Result and discussion. Production of enzyme chitinase, figure 1 chitinolic index of Biophorobacillus A before congruent addition and B after congruent addition. Figure A shows that after incubation for 7 days, were indicating the formation of clear zone around the colony. The formation of the clear zone around the colony of microorganisms indicated the production of extracellular enzyme. The figure B shows that the clear zone will become clearer after addition of congruent solution associated with the polymer chitin substrate bond B1.4, the medium so that it congruent. Protein content measurement, figure 2 standard curva. The curva showed curva formed and linear strong line. This was because the protein solution used was dilute solution with small concentration. Table 1 enzyme protein content. So that average protein, measured protein of 0.1 milligram to 5 milliliter. And the measurement of chitinase specific activity. Table 2 chitinase enzyme activity of each fraction of purification result. So that enzyme activity average 1 unit the 5 milliliter and protein content of 0.1 milligram the 5 milliliter, and then specific activity so that 10 unit the 5 milligram protein. Conclusion, the results show that chitinase enzyme can be obtained from the Weberabasiana fumus, isolate from Tribolium castaneum cadaver by using chitin colloidal substrate. The average activity of specific chitinase origin from Weberabasiana isolate was 1 unit per 5 milligram. Protein test with BSA, standard solution, and Lowry method obtained as a result of reading with spectrophotometer UV-PAX was R equal 0.9925. That's all my presentation. Thank you. And the last I say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.